In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Sheet ID in Smartsheet. The Sheet ID is a unique identifier for your Smartsheet. It's especially useful if you're working with integrations, automations, or the Smartsheet API, or if you need to share a specific sheet reference with your IT team. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simplest way to find that ID directly inside the Smartsheet interface. First, open your web browser and go to your Smartsheet account. From your home screen or recent items, navigate to the specific project sheet where you want to find the sheet ID. You can do this by clicking on the sheet name in your workspace or from your recents list. Once the sheet is open and you can see the grid view with your rows and columns, you're in the right place. Next, look toward the top left corner of the Smartsheet window. You'll see a menu option labeled File in the toolbar. Go ahead and click on File. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to the overall sheet, like saving, printing, and managing sheet-level settings. From this file menu, you'll want to select Properties. Click on Properties, and a new window or panel will appear. This Properties window contains key information about your sheet, such as the sheet name, description, and other high-level settings. Among these details, you'll also find the Sheet ID. Take a moment to look closely at the information displayed. You should see a field labeled Sheet ID or something very similar. This is the unique numeric or alphanumeric value that identifies this specific sheet in Smartsheet. Move your cursor over that value and click and drag to highlight it. Once it's highlighted, you can copy it using your usual method, such as right-click and select Copy, or using your keyboard shortcut. It's a good idea to paste this sheet ID somewhere safe, especially if you're planning to use it in scripts, integrations, or with support teams. Remember that the sheet ID itself doesn't expose your data, but you should still treat it as part of your configuration details and avoid sharing it publicly, and that's all you need to do. By opening your sheet, going to the File menu, selecting Properties, and highlighting the Sheet ID field, you can quickly and reliably grab the exact identifier for any Smartsheet you're working with.